Hey everyone, happy Navratri. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Eyelashes. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe, like and share my lovely, easy, breezy makeup tutorials. Today I have this beautiful get ready with me for Durga Puja that is around the corner. You can definitely do this look. It's not that difficult. I've kept it very easy. Thank you for being here and I hope this tutorial is as easy and breezy as always. So let's begin. Starting the makeup with a spray always helps the makeup last longer. This is a Glass Skin Real Mist by Peach and Lily. All the items will be mentioned in the description below. All the makeup that I use. This is the Embryollo Ice Cream. Make sure guys that you actually blend this into your skin, any moisturizer of your choice, very nicely because we want the makeup to stay longer. We have the eye cream and this is an age-defying eye cream. Well, we all need some. This is a very beautiful serum by Peach and Lily. It's a glass serum. See how thin and fine it is. Again, I'm going to put it all over my skin with my fingers. When you blend things with your fingers, it gives a little warmth. Also, do not forget your neck. Very nicely let everything get soaked in the skin. If you're out in the day, this is a sunscreen that I'm applying so that the makeup is protected. This is a touch up primer. I'm going to apply it in all the areas that I think I will sweat. So in case if I'm out and it's hot, I will have my makeup intact for at least 10 to 12 hours. Very nicely blend everything in. Also, this is a lip balm. We all need one so that the lipstick stays longer. I love Bobbi Brown foundations and they last very long. I'm mixing it with the Becca Illuminator and applying it all over my face, mixed together, starting from the center of my face and then going outward. Also the neck. I never forget the neck. I like the face and the neck blending in with the rest of the body. Taking my Charlotte Tilbury setting powder and just quickly setting each and every corner of my face wherever the foundation was applied. My hair is going to be open, so I am not putting foundation on my ears, but if you're wearing a bun, please put foundation on your ears. This is a contour stick by Tarte Cosmetics. Again, the products are mentioned in the description below, and I am going to go ahead and make my face look sharper because I think with the eye makeup we are doing, a sharper face would look amazing. When you contour near the eye looks elongated. When we do the winged eyeliner, the eye will have a very definite shape. You will see when we get there. Blend it all inward towards the hair. It's very important. Smaller brush for the nose area so we don't make the entire nose look brown. We don't want that, do we now? Taking it into the eyelids. See how the face is so well shaped now. This is a Guerlain terracotta bronzer to add a little warmth to my face. Now let's go ahead and use the NARS liquid blush in Orgasm. If you want any names of the products, they're all mentioned in the description box below. I love this blush. It sits so well on the skin. I'm using a sponge to dab it in. This is the same sponge I use to blend my foundation, guys. Let's go ahead and do the concealer now. This is a Bare Skin serum based concealer because I have certain lines under my eye. I don't want to accentuate them by using a thicker concealer. So here we have the serum based concealer and I'm using it on highlight spots. Also because I have red lips, I'm going to go ahead and use it around my mouth. Blending it with the same sponge I blended my foundation with. Using the Huda Beauty setting powder in Banana, I'm going to set the under eye right there. So any fallouts will be collected there of the eyeshadow. Using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer as my eyeshadow base. You can use any eyeshadow base that you have. I love Tarte for using it over the lid. And very lightly, I'm going to do it on both my eyes and then go ahead and set it with this sponge. I use one sponge for the face. This, guys, is the beautiful Pat McGrath Mothership palette, and the colors are insanely beautiful. I'm using this pink color right here, and I'm going to do a fluffy brush and apply it all over my eyelid. Make sure you keep applying until you reach the desired level of depth. Now I'm using this darker pink shade and going into the crease line. And one thing I love doing is I apply and I blend, I apply and I blend, and then I keep increasing the intensity of the color. What this gives you is a little more control over how much color you would like to apply. If you have loose eyelids, please make sure you lift it up and apply it also for hooded eyes. This is the way you will apply. Now again, I'm going to blend it out and take it upward and outward. And go ahead again and increase the intensity of the color right there. Blending after applying eyeshadow always gives you a very seamless blend and it does not look very stark. I'm using this Becca Illuminating Drops as my eyeshadow base. Well, you can use them because they have amazing intensity and they glow very beautifully. Although I'm not doing a sharp cut and crease, I am placing it on my eyelid and giving it a shape of a cut and crease. Like I said, it's a very easy makeup, guys. I'm not doing any difficult work. I'm taking this brush again and blending it with the darker color right there. Of course, we will blend it out once I place the color right there. And there is the blending brush. Like I said, apply and blend, and you'll never go wrong. Just make sure the placement of this glitter shadow, this liquid shadow is optimal and as much as you need. Lift your eyelids if needed. Now I'm going to take this gold color right there and place it on top. I told you this beautiful new palette by Pat McGrath is insane. Love the pigments, love how well they sit on the eyelid, and very minimalistic fallouts they have. Just blending it all in because I'm not doing a very sharp cut and crease. I'm just making sure they all look blended in. This is a liquid eyeliner by Makeup Forever HD. I'm going to use a very thin line in front, and here I'm creating a dot. This is like my guide for my winged eyeliner. And then I'll slightly start lifting it just above my eyeballs, right there, and I'll join it together with the dot. Voila! Once you have a guide, it's very easy to create that winged eyeliner. All I have to do is go inside and fill it. You see how I'm holding my eyeliner brush? I'm holding it sideways so I do not mess it up. People who are still learning how to do winged eyeliner, this is the best way to actually hold it. Because I have a little hooded or loose eyelids, I will lift my eyelid and then place the liquid eyeliner wherever I see a gap. You see that? You slightly have to lift up your eyebrows and then you can fill all the gap possible. We are taking the Inglot cream liner and this angular brush by MAC Cosmetics, and I'm going to intensify my winged eyeliner. Like I told you, this eye makeup is all about the winged eyeliner. I mean, Bengalis understand how important winged eyeliners and deep kohl eyes are. I'm going to take the same cream eyeliner and place it under in my waterline. and join the inner corners as well to make it look well defined. This is a smudge brush. I'm using this particular color to smudge under my eyelids. Very lightly smudge it out. I will show you something now. I did not edit this part because I wanted to show you how to correct the under eye if you think one side is thicker than the other side, and my left under eye is a little thicker than my right. So I'm going to take a wet wipe and wipe off whatever I don't need. It does not take much time. It does not mess up your makeup. All you have to do is have a wet wipe. It is very, very handy. Don't have any liquid to do this. Don't take any eye makeup remover, or the liquid will take off your foundation as well. I'm keeping this makeup very real. You see, I want my right eye and my left eye balanced, so I'm going to remove whatever not needed right there. I'm going to take this sponge and dab off whatever excess liquid was there. Take the concealer again that we used earlier from Bare Minerals, and using the same sponge, I'm going to dab it into the eye and very lightly take it upward so it all looks blended in and not patchy. Now I'm going to take the setting powder and set it. We need to set the under eye. So voila, it just takes 2 minutes. Right, like it's done. And now I'm going to go ahead and smudge the under eye there. Now that I'm happy that they both are balanced, I'm going to complete my eye makeup. Wasn't this real enough? Doesn't this happen with you guys? That one side is thicker than the other side. This is the cream liner. I'm just making my eyes a little more intense. This is an angular lash which I used for this look. Make sure you bend it so you have a wing effect, more elongated. Once the eyelashes are done, I'm going to take a kohl pencil and go ahead and intensify my black lower lashes more. You saw how well defined my eyes were. This is how I layered it up, and we are done. I have applied Alta, which I love, which I think is very holy. This is a Ruby Woo red color lip pencil, and I'm gonna fill my entire lip with this lip pencil. I'm not going to be layering my lip a lot. This is just a slight stain of the red color on my lips today. Doesn't the eye makeup look beautiful? And those curls. You see how the eyelashes got accentuated. This is a Fenty Beauty uncensored liquid lipstick, and I'm just filling as much as needed, not making it very intense. And this is my final touch, using it as sindoor right there. The same liquid lipstick. How can we forget Illuminator, right? This is the Estee Lauder Illuminator, and it has a little gold tinge to it, which looks amazing from medium to tan skin. These are the final touches that I do. I always do my highlighter and my lovely lashes in the end. That means applying the mascara. This is a mascara by Maybelline, and they're called Falsies. Applying mascara is very personal. You can apply as much as you want, and I really love this look with an accentuated eye makeup. There we have the final look. My Alta, my sindoor, my lipstick, and my hair. All ready for Durga Puja. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please do like it, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Until next Tuesday, happy Navratri, happy Durga Khela, and happy Sindoor Khela. See you next Tuesday. Bye guys.